In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Android speaker not working, but headphones do. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if your Android phone is silent through the speakers but works perfectly with headphones, the issue is usually a headset routing bug in Android 16 or physical debris in the port. So your phone might think headphones are still plugged in even when they aren't. So what you want to do is check the status bar. Look for a small headphone icon at the top, and if it's there but nothing's plugged in, your phone is stuck in headset mode. So what you want to do is use a wooden toothpick or a blast of compressed air to gently clean the charging port, and dust or lint can bridge the connections, tricking the phone into thinking a cable is inserted. So if you use a 3.5mm jack, plug your headphones in and out rapidly 5 times to reset the physical trigger switch inside. And Android's fast pair can sometimes hijack your audio to a nearby Bluetooth speaker or earbuds that are still active in their case. So swipe down the notification shade and turn off Bluetooth. If the sound immediately returns to the speakers, go over to settings and then go over to connections. Then if you go over to Bluetooth and you find connected devices, press the settings wheel on them and then go ahead and unpair them as well, because that could be the issue. And if your hardware trigger is stuck, you can use the software override to force sound out of the speakers. So what you want to do is open up your settings application, then scroll down until you find accessibility, which it would usually be towards the bottom. Go ahead and click on accessibility, and then once you do, go over to audio adjustment if you see it, and then once you do, look for audio output path and manually put phone speakers for it, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.